Right, Kim. Yeah, wee dafty. Oh yes. Got some chili meal this morning. How's it going, Che? Alright, Aaron. How's it going, folks? Eureka. Alright, Eureka, ka. Yeah, got some chili meal today. And it smells amazing. Straight away, all that pickle. Alright, Shane, mate. How's it going, buddy? So, I've been looking forward to getting Rick's stuff from the Chilli project. Sweet! Yeah. Oh, the Ruthless Reaper. Ketchup. Sweet. Ah, that box smells amazing. See with all the pickle stuff. Hey! Everyone swears by this, so I'm looking forward to trying this. The Scotch bonnet pickle. I'm not a pickle fan, never have been, but I think this is going to be banging, absolutely banging. Alright, Dean Machine, there he is, Carol, the fireball. Fucking result, mate, absolute result last night, man. Nice one, Rick. I don't think, did you just fling that one in? Nice one. I didn't remember asking for the garlic knuckle. Nice one, Dad. Nice one. Here they are. These hot shots. Looking forward to these. Looking forward to doing these. Yes. Result. And he's Hot Fox. Rick, get these t-shirts made up. Everybody was saying on the festival, you need the pictures. Yeah. Awesome. Banging with that. Chili meal. Aye. Do you know what I mean? Like, everything that I've ever seen with Rick stuff looks amazing. I'm not a pickle fan, but I think I'm going to love these. I can smell it just out the box. And it's just going to linger about everywhere. I could just leave it as an air freshener, man. It's so good. I can smell that. The oils. You can see it. Yeah. But these wee bad boys. Been looking forward to doing these. Is that the best one, Alex? Do you think? The garlic naga? They all look good. The aromas, just the aromas straight off it. This will be a good one. I like always the hotter ones, so that'll be banging. And this will be interesting. So aye, just come on, Hingy. I'm not going to do anything now. I'll probably do it later on or tomorrow. Just to come on and say hello. Enjoy your weekend. I know. It looks so good. Yeah. Some banging stuff. Thanks very much, Rick. Anybody, hook them all up. Go and see the producers, see what they've got. I've got some more stuff coming for Sean and for Chilli again. Aye, so try and get round as many of the producers as we can during these times, do you know what I mean? Keep them all going. And that's the best way about it, do you know what I mean? And there'll be another festival coming up, which is going to be crazy. So, aye, I mean, we've got stuff in here, and we're going to keep busy. Team Nuke, Nuke Life, Nuke Fam. See you later, folks. Bye.